Hello, welcome to part 3 of Understanding Functions. Here we're going to look at writing our own two-step function rules. So here's the table of values. In example 1, it explains that this is the table. Find the output when the input is in and type your space in the space provided. So we're going to use this pattern to extend to when we don't have any numbers. So we're going to write a rule. That's going to go in the box. The first thing we need to do is look at how our outputs are related to each other. So from output to output, it decreases by 2 each time. So what we're going to do is we're going to come and multiply each of these inputs by -2. So we're going to have a line called input by -2. Input times -2. So we're going to take the inputs multiplied by -2. -2 times 1 is -2. 2 times -2 is -4. 3 times -2 is -6. And 4 times -2 is -8. Now we need to look and see how far is it from 6 to -2. How did I get from 6 to -2? So we'll look at, let's change colors and go around here. We're going to take and we're going to find the difference of these. So we'll do 6 minus -2, 4 minus -4, 2 minus -6, 8 minus 0 minus -8. So we'll look at 6 minus -2. Well, that equals 8. I've got 4 minus -2, minus -4. That also equals 8, if you add the opposite here. 2 minus -6 equals 8, and just for good measure, 0 minus -8 also equals 8. Okay, so now we've got what we're going to add to each term, and we've got what we're going to multiply to each term. Okay, so I'm going to multiply my input times 2. Well, now my input is n. So I've got -2 times n, so it's -2n. And then I've got +8, so plus 8. -2n plus 8. And that is my function rule. In part B, we'll label this B because I didn't put a number with it. The table of values is featured below. Find the value when. Excuse me. Apparently, we're going to call this A. I found it, but we're going to call this A. Find the value of the output when the input is n. Type your answer in the space below. So first, I've got to find my pattern. 10 to 14 is by 4, 14 to 18 by 4, 18 to 22 by 4. So my input is going to be multiplied by 4. So we're going to write input times 4, and then we're going to do those multiplications. So when my input's by 4, I'm going to have 4n, 4 times n. Well, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. Well, now I need to go look at my differences between my outputs and my products of my input times my differences. Okay, so we're going to go look at 10 minus 4. We're going to look at 14 minus 8. We're going to look at 18 minus 12. And we're going to look at 16 minus 22 minus 16. This is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. 14 minus 8, 6. 18 minus 12 is 6. And 22 minus 16 is also 6. Alright, so if my common difference between my output and the product is 6, it's going to tack on here plus 6. So my function rule is 4n plus 6. So anytime I plug something in, I get to multiply it by 4 and add 6. Alright, good luck.